structure to the database table. Okay, three concepts. Small, all are very easiest concepts only. Okay, just enhancements we can call. Structures are nothing but enhancements. Okay, let me discuss here first. Okay, the main heading is structure. Praveen, for you any doubt?
I couldn't practice yesterday, so I have a lot of work.
Okay, okay. No
These 2 days also I will not be able to practice. Maybe on Thursday I
practice.
have to practice.
Okay, sure, sure. Okay, no problem. You just, if you have any doubt, no issue. You just share screen or okay, share WhatsApp message. Okay, then I will guide you.
Sure, sure. I'll do this. Thursday I'll do that because for me it's like Monday to Wednesday. Work is really
Full
hectic.
work. Huh? Okay, then if I, what I'll do tomorrow, okay, little bit I have some work. Huh? Okay,
Mm-hmm.
then tomorrow I'll cancel it. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
Thursday I will take it better. Okay,
Oh.
tomorrow, okay, only I need some okay break. Okay, I have some little work morning. Okay, then okay, because Corona, no, morning only they are going to open all the stores.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, that's what I'll have some work a little bit.
Mm-hmm.
Then tomorrow I will give break. Then tomorrow, if possible, you can practice. Otherwise, Thursday anyhow, just only
Thursday because
Thursday.
for me extreme whatever I do is like Tuesday Wednesday Monday onwards it starts, but Tuesday Wednesday it is like
Okay,
heavy
full. Okay, okay, okay,
because
good.
our dashboards everything will go on Wednesday.
Dashboards means like BO you are using?
I'm into
Business object?
executive dashboards. I publish I mean the dashboards on Wednesday every Wednesday to all the leadership teams. So
Uh-huh.
we need to do a lot of validation, a lot of checking. If
Okay,
any
okay.
data discrepancy is there, we need to contact the particular teams.
Okay. Which dashboard, Lumira or Web Intelligence?
I do executive dashboard. Executive is like total direct micro report is.
Mm-hmm.
So
Means any tool,
where
any
how they are
separate tool,
performing. I'm sorry.
any separate tool is there for dashboard?
Except Power BI.
For Power BI, okay, okay, that's it. So means in same dashboard, Lumira is there in SAP. Power BI is actually non-SAP tool. Actually, Power BI.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
And we pull the data from Teradata, then
Uh-huh.
we get it into SQL. Then
Okay.
we get, I mean, it's not, I will do it. It's like there are separate people who pulls the data. We have different people for each and every
Like
metrics.
consultants are there, separate
Metrics
consultant.
wise. So we pull the data. We generally, in case if the data is not available, then I'll go ahead and pull the data from TD. And
Mm-hmm.
because every Wednesday we have to publish the dashboard. It is like
Mm-hmm.
it's a scorecard how the company is performing across various metrics. So what
Mm-hmm.
we do is we need to check the data, everything, if everything is fine or not, or if any discrepancy is there, if it
Okay.
is going in a trend or not. We need to
Okay.
analyze everything. We need to write the callouts, and we need
Mm.
to send.
Okay. 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 Then I understood. Yes, in SAP also same module is there, like same like Power BI, like Tableau. The same way we have Lumira
Mm.
dashboard is there.
Okay, okay.
Okay. Okay, here, okay, today I'll start with the structure and tomorrow I'll give break. Thursday I will take it, Thursday. And
Sure.
one second. Structure creation. Structure creation. Or we can call enhancements. We can call enhancements. Enhancement. Means first let's see what is the output, final output after here. Now we have this is a structure. This structure, sorry, this is a table. This table is having employee number, employee name, city. It is you already created. Now you are going to add one more field for this table. This is a table name, employee table, or customer table, or whatever it is. Because this is employee number related, then employee table, ZEMP number, ZEMP table. This table it is already filled with the three fields with the data also. With the data also it is there already. The data also it is there. Now your client is asking add two more fields for the same table. Okay, add two more fields. Okay, add two more fields to the same database table. Here add two more fields are nothing but like extra enhancement fields, like Aadhaar number I need, Aadhaar number, like other place I need, like a city, otherwise other like date of birth, okay, other date of birth, same date, date. These two fields I have to add here. Okay, then I have to enter the data also. But this is already existed. Now I'm enhancing with the these fields. I'm enhancing. Not only two fields, you can use it n number of data fields. Like same fields, same fields. Okay, same fields. What I'll do? I'll create it here one more. Use it. This is another table. This another table. Okay, another table is having customer related information. Another table. This is second table. Customer data. Z customer table or ZGR Cust table or customer table. So whatever it is, table name, whatever. This is customer details we have. Customer number, C number, and C name, city. Okay. For this table also, we are going to add. For this is table is already. For this table also, we are adding this same. This is enhancement. I am two fields. I am adding. Okay, for this table also. See here. This is one. This is one table added to two fields. This is another table added two fields. Like that, you can add n number vendor table. That is one more table. Okay, one more table vendor table. Okay, you can add to that particular table also. Like this, you can add to hundreds of database tables. Same type of fields. You can add it to 100 types of database table. This is third table. This is vendor table. Okay, this is vendor table. Okay, VNO. VNO vendor table. Like that, for any existing table, if you want to enhance it, you can enhance it. Why we have to go for only enhancement? A very simple reason. Same fields, if there is same architecture, same fields it is there. There is no need to click the edit button. Let's observe now why you have to go each and every time change only. Let me. Sir, why can't you change directly change option? Okay, let me show first. SAP. Double one. Here, this is okay, SA11. See, table last class GR customer I created. Okay, so if it is say directly, you can directly change here Aadhaar number I can enter, other city, other country, date of birth also I can enter. Then why I have to add structure? It is not necessary. Okay, not necessary to add the structure separately. Structure means we have to create separately. Then we will add by using some syntax. Okay, some line. Okay, include we have to write it and you have to add the structure name. Here, advantage means whenever you create the structure like this structure, okay, not only for this table, you can add to the n number of database table. Means time will be reduced. The same two fields. If you want to if you want to use a customer table, you can use a customer table. Same two fields if you want to use another table, use a store. Okay, another database table. Same fields if you want to use the student tables, that also you can use it like that. For okay, these two related structure fields, you can add to n number of database tables. That is only you can call structure enhancement. Okay, enhancing the fields. If it is only one table, if you want to enhance, okay, very easy. Enhancement change. Just click change. That's it. Click change. Only your work is only you can add here other number, other name, other date of birth. Just use it for this table. No need to enhance. No need to enhance the structure. Okay, no need to create. That is what I am trying to say here. Meaning, if it is only one table, if you want to add it, there is no need to go for a structure creation. But same structure, same one simple structure. If you want to use it multiple tables, better create structure. This structure, this is structure. This structure we can add to n number of tables. The same structure. This is another structure. This is another structure. Same structure only. Same structure. For tables is another table. Another table. This is another table. Okay, that concept we are calling. Okay, adding structure fields to the existing tables or customized tables. For all types of tables, you can use it. For existing tables, what will happen? If you want to add it, let's observe now. Here, for customized, I can click here change button. Change. Now it will be changed here. Anything, any field I can delete it, any field I can add it. But if you see standard table, you don't have the option to change it. Okay, why? It will ask here. So it will ask here access key. See, it will ask access. We cannot change it. Cannot change it. Okay, because that access key we don't have that directly. We cannot change those particular standard table. We can change by using another way, that is display button. Using display, we have another structure is a append structure. For standard table, we always use a append structure. Even customized tables also append structure is there. You can use it. But customized tables we can use okay, even append structure and as well as include structure. Two types of structures are there. Okay, both we can use it for customized tables. Let me write it clearly. Okay, dot include the types of structures. Okay, types of structure. This is two types. Okay, two types. One is the dot. This is here dot I entered there. Dot include structure. Dot include structure. Okay, dot append structure. Okay, append structure. Dot include structure. We have only rights. Only now. Okay, example. We can use it for only customized customer database tables. Customer means which we created, like or customized database table, not customer, customized. Customized database tables. Customized means it is started with all Z or Y tables. Okay, Y tables. Next, for dot append structure, you can use for both customized tables plus the standard database table. So both you can use it. So this is we are calling second data type. That is this one. This is includes type for only customized tables. First, two types can write down clearly. What is structure? Structure nothing but just only fields information. There is no physical memory for structure. Okay, write down this point also. Structure contains field information. Structure contains the field information. It does not contain any memory in database. It does not contain any memory in database. Once if we add structure to database table, here this structure, if it is created separately, the structure is created separately. See, now this is table. This table is having memory. But this structure, this is a structure. it does not have any memory. You cannot add fields here. You cannot add data here. No data here. Once if we add these fields like structure fields to this table, then this table you can create the memory. If it is separate structure, no memory. If we add this structure to the table, then memory is there. These two table fields you can create the memory. That is that concept only you can call it structure. Understood my point, I think. Amit, if it is separate structure, if you create it, okay, you cannot enter the data. There is no content option. Praveen, you understood this point?
Yes, sir.
Okay, meaning the structure does not contain any memory. Memory means I used to explain that it's data class under size category. Size category is nothing but a 0 I used to enter. 0 means 0 records to 6,000 records, 5,000 records. I used to enter. Do you remember that field name? Here we have. Under technical settings, there this is 3 is a. This 3 is nothing but a size category. The size category is nothing but a 9,500 records. It is allowing. This type of size category, it is not, we cannot maintain for structure. Structure, we don't have this technical settings option itself. Let me show that one. Okay, now procedure I am giving structure procedure. Okay, there is no technical settings in structure. Okay, let me create. Now procedure. Okay, if you have any doubt, ask me. I'll explain this one. Okay, but explanation wise, okay, any interview if you ask, then structure is nothing but a, okay, adding it does not contain any memory. You can add the structure to the n number of database table. Two types of structures: dot include structure and dot in append structure. Dot include structure we can use for the all customized database table. Okay, dot append structure is for only for particular tables, either customized tables, either standard tables. Only the table only you can use it. You cannot use like this. Okay, this same two fields you cannot use it for multiple tables. Multiple. Procedure. First structure creation only I will explain. Structure creation. Later I will explain dot include and dot append one by one. Structure creation steps. Go to SC level. Okay, go to SC level. Here instead of table name, you don't use the table name. Here we have a concept is data type is here. Okay, data type. Under data type, you have to enter your own naming convention, ZGR, STR. Any name you can use it, but start with Z. Okay, start with. Okay, click on ZGR, STR. Click on create button. You can observe now. I think data element is completed. Do you remember? In basic classes, I used to select the double click on that data element. Data element we already covered. Okay. Now only structure is the table type. Table type is very less which we are using in more real time. Okay. Now we are going to discuss the structure only. Table type we will see later. Okay. Now select the structure. Don't select the data element. Okay. This is structure because structure creation. This is continue. Here you have to enter your description. Okay. This is structure. If you observe now, is there any, let me open one more table. Table I will open. Let's see level. Compare it first. You will get some, okay, in output. See. If you observe now, table look like, see here. In structure, we are calling component. The same in table, we are calling field. In table, we have the primary key and initial values is there. In structure, we don't have the primary key and initial values. Structure is having the data element, that name we are calling component type. Then description, all are there. Okay, all are there. Like this. Then, if you observe now in table, we have the technical settings is here. There is no technical settings. There is no technical settings. In structure we have open structure, even that is also there, but technical settings is not there, indexes is not there in structure. Okay, that is the main difference is this is only for structure and table. Structure we cannot use any primary keys. Okay, for tables you can use the primary keys. The table you can. And structure does not have the technical settings. Tables we have the technical settings. What is the use of technical settings means? To maintain the memory. To maintain the memory. Okay, how many records we are going to use, that memory we can use it. Okay, that memory. Now go to here. Component is here. Component. Now I am adding here two fields. Okay, one is Aadhaar number. This is types, means we are referring this Aadhaar number type of component type of Z Aadhaar number. Aadhaar number. Now if I enter here somebody is already created Aadhaar number, then I can use this same data element. Otherwise I will create my own number ZGR Aadhaar number. How to create now here for the data element component type? We have to double click here. Okay, we have to double click here. Okay, click on S. Okay, click on S. Then click on S. A separate package. I already created the package name. I can use it. Click on continue. Okay, click on continue. Then once again click on continue. Here, which one we have to use it? It's structure or data element? Under that we are creating data element, we are creating, not structure. Under structure, data element we are creating. Okay, maybe this is only the confusion point, Amit. You just remember this one. Under structure, the data element. Okay, data element. Okay, once if you practice, you will get it, no problem. Okay, don't select the structure. Structure to structure, if you select it, because you are not creating structure, you are creating data element. Okay, that's it. That's it. The remaining procedure is same, data element procedure. A short description, Aadhaar number. Aadhaar number, domain name, ZGR Aadhaar number. You double click on Aadhaar number, click on S, click on save, click on continue, create the domain, enter the short description, Aadhaar number, set characteristics and how much length that is. Save and activate. Okay, save and activate. Okay, click on continue. Now this is ready. This is ready. Active. Come back. Domain is activated. Same way you have to go to the field label. Okay, just to go to here. This is okay, Aadhaar number. Activate. Okay, activate. Okay, click on continue. Okay, now it is active. Come back. So one field is ready. That is Aadhaar number. Okay, Aadhaar number. Like that, you can add all your requirement. First, you can add it here and activate the structure. But still, I not add one more table, one more field. I can add it here, one more field here. Okay, Aadhaar city or Aadhaar place. Aadhaar place. Types. Okay, that is you can call Aadhaar city. City. Okay, don't use AA. Start with Z. Okay, city, Aadhaar place. Create the type. Select the S and click on data element only. Click on data element and enter the description. Aadhaar city. Z AA city. Double click on this. You click on yes. Okay, package name, continue. Do you want to create the domain? Yes. Enter the city details, enter the characteristics, city 30, okay, data type, number of characteristics. This is same basic class how we created, same way, data element and domain. That's what I am going step by step. Okay, step by step. Continue. Okay, continue. Where you are creating, that is important. Means if it is table, one procedure. If it is in structure, this is one procedure. Okay, one procedure. So select here, activate here. Okay, activate. Continue. Okay, continue. Now this is done. Domain is done. Same way, you can use it. Okay, field label. Okay, field label. No need to enter all the information. Enter only 20. This is we can call city, Aadhaar city. Save and activate. Okay, save and activate. Okay, save and activate. If you field label also, it's ready. Okay, field label also ready. Now everything is ready. Okay, with the fields. Okay, let me check here. Is there any technical settings option? No technical settings here. Means you cannot maintain it. Like table, if you see here, this table you have technical settings is there. Okay, like this size category and okay, this option. But here you don't have that particular technical related options. For that, okay, we won't use any technical settings related. Okay, you can just leave it. Then we will check these errors. Okay, any errors are there. You click on error. Okay. Checking errors. Okay, check the errors. So once you click the check the errors, then it will show here. Okay, it will show here enhancement category. How to modify this enhancement category? If you want to, okay, do it enhancement category. How to rectify it? Using back button, using extras. The enhancement categories, that is also you can use it. Okay, that particular. Click on enhancement category. Okay, click on enhancement category. Then here, okay, continue option. Okay, click on. Click on continue. Okay, click on continue. Copy. Okay, copy. Can be enhanced with deep enhancement and click on copy. Click on. You understood this? Like the message I got it. That message I have to remove. That message purpose I am doing this one. For that here you have to remove that particular extras enhancement category. Without also no issue. Without this enhancement category also no problem. That is not error. Just only one information you can do it. Okay, you can do it. Then copy. Now it is ready. Okay, it is ready. Now if I click save option, if I click here checking option, check means errors checking. Check this. Then activate here. Okay, then activate. Then continue. Okay, continue. Ready. Now table is not table, structure is ready. This structure is ready. See here, for this structure, can you create the entries here? Utilities. Is there any table content and create entries? Is there? See here, no content. If you observe now your table, utilities, see here, you have table content option is there and display option is there. But in structure, you don't have the utilities, table content itself, it is not there. Meaning, for this structure, no memory. You cannot maintain the entries. You cannot create the entries. That is the concept now. Structure is ready. Then, how to use this structure? That is next step. Okay, next step. Up to this is, if you are clear, then that is very easy. Just only simple steps. Any doubt here in this point? Amit, Praveen?
No, sir.
Okay.
No, sir.
Okay. Now, okay, what I'll do? How to use the structure in dot include structure. Next side heading. Okay, two types of structures I told you. Under that, first structure I am going to explain. Then how to use structure under dot include. That is a procedure. Otherwise, side heading you can write a dot include structure creation. Dot include structure creation. Steps are come back. Go to SC11. How see this is a name? You just copy this name. Just copy name. Copy the name. Go to any table which you created. Either existing existing tables only, all customized tables only, not for the standard. Okay, not for the standard. See, any database table, click on change button. Click on change button. Okay, see here. Now how many fields we have? 4. Let me show the data also. Table content, display, number of entries. 3. Already 3 records are here. Okay, 3. You can observe now first. Customer number is created, name is created, city already is there, country also it is there. Now for this same table, I am adding 2 fields. Here 2 fields should come with without data. Okay, without data. Let's see. Okay, to add that structure name, after change option, go to dot include, and what is the name of the structure? What is the name of the structure? ZGRSTR. Enter. That's it. Add it here. Now I added this structure name, but to use this one we are using this name. Okay, this is a procedure. Okay, directly you cannot enter. If you enter directly, that is data element. If you use dot include, that is enhancements. Okay, enhancement. Where you can use enhancements mainly is here. Okay, first version maybe we have only 20 fields. In the second version they will add another 20 fields. In the third version another 20 fields. In the fourth version another 20 fields. Like if you see now there are hundreds of fields are there in table, any table. Let's say standard table. You can observe this table only, KNA1 table. See here, KNA1 is having one include is there. Yeah, in the first step they added only around 17 or 18 fields only. Say around 17 fields, 18 fields only they added. In the second release, some other release, they added this is the name of the structure. Okay, that structure we are calling include structure. Okay, this is that. Then in the another enhancements, they added one more enhancement. I think. Let's see. I'm checking with all the enhancements. Yeah.
I have one question, sir.
Yeah, ask me.
Once you create the structure and activated it, suppose you wanted to add more fields into the structure.
Okay.
We can do that, no?
Okay. Yeah, you can do it.
Okay.
You can do it. N number of rows here you can do from this structure directly from here itself.
Okay.
So once if you add it from this only you can add it here. Now if I want to add it here, already it is active. Now I need some country I need, or otherwise some postal code I need. The postal code I can add it directly. The standard also you can add it, or customer PSTLZ. Okay, add now. Okay. For this enhancement, n number of time we can do that the structure only. Okay, now 3 fields is there here. Okay, these 3 fields I am using now. Now check here. I am not created, just only I added that in structure I added. In structure I added that field. Okay, 3 fields are there in structure. Let me activate here. Let me activate this table and activate it. Now this is ready. Okay, transparent table is ready. Okay, active. Okay, go to utilities. The table contents, and first we will click display. Why we are going to display here? Yes, already data is there. 3 records are there. We are checking that records. Let's see here. Execute here. Okay, observe. I have shown you already. Customer number was there. Customer's name, city, country. This is which we created earlier. Correct? Now 3 fields are Aadhaar number, Aadhaar place, and postal, which I added here. This is we are calling enhancement. Now memory is created. Okay, without this table, this enhancement, this structure does not have any memory. If we add, then memory will come. Now I have to add the data here. Very simple. Just click on this which row you want to add it. Okay, or click on change button. Okay, click on change button and select here Aadhaar number. Okay, Aadhaar number. Any name. Please to Bangalore. Save it. Over. Okay. If you want, you can add like this. If it is bulk is there, create a table maintenance generator. So create the table maintenance generator. Add it. All the fields. Okay, this is a way to create the structure with the includes. Okay, on how to create the structure, then how to add the structure to the customized database table. Okay, customized database table. Okay. Praveen, any doubt here? Amit?
No,
any doubt here? Clear? No? This is next, another structure name I will discuss. Okay, one more point. This is I added for customer table. The same structure I have to add to employee also. Let's see. That is also I created already earlier. Z employee table, something I created. Z EMP table, which I created earlier. Let me check here. How many fields are here? This is without data element, no problem. But okay, only procedure you have to know. That's what. This is the one table already there. I have to add this my 3 fields to this table also. Then where is go to change button, add here, enter .include include the name of the structure ZGRST. Tell
dot include.
Yeah. It will throw error if you enter like that. Okay, so ZGR, okay, STR, okay, enter. Okay, let's see. Now I added for this table also. But we already created all the city name, phone number, everything is created. Okay, this city, okay, employee related. Now let's me. Okay, this is these three fields I added to this employee name. Let's observe now. Enhancement category issues are coming. Then I told you very simple way. Enhancement, go to extras, enhance the category. Okay, click on continue button. Can we enhance? Copy. It can be. Then save it. Okay, continue. Activate. Now no errors. Okay, we'll see the first data. Table content. Click on table content and click on display option. Let me execute first. Yes, here employee number, employee name, phone, date of birth, 5, city, all 5. Only other number I added, other place I added, other postal code I added. Here if I click this change button and if I click here change button, then I can add those particular, okay, other related information. Okay, other number information, other place, other postal code. Okay, save it. Okay, like this. For any n number of tables, not one table, you can add this same structure for n number of. That concept we are calling dot include structure. Dot include structure. Okay, now difference you understood, I think. For any table, you can easily add. That table should be customized. Any table. Okay, any database table. Okay, that is only real-time requirement. Means we always use the dot type of include structures only. Why means because customers is having the change option, then we can add it this one. Okay, add it. Next. The next option is dot append structure creation. Okay, how to do this procedure? Okay. How to do this dot append structure creation? very simple operation for the dot append structure. Either you can take either standard or either customized, but don't practice with the standard. Standard, it is taking too much time. Okay, means for activation itself, it is taking like almost 1 hour. It is running this only activation. You cannot see the output immediately. For that, better practice with the customized tables only. Sometimes data append structure, it is not running properly. It is taking for activation. It is taking almost 40 minutes or 15 minutes. It is taking. That's why try for the customized only. Okay, customized only. Next. Okay, next second heading. Okay, third heading. Dot append structure creation. Under that, any table you can choose it. So take the table, go to SC11. Okay, go to SC11. Under SC11, enter your database table. Whatever you created, whatever you added that append include only, you can use, no issue. Okay, no problem. Go to here, change button. Okay, click on change button. The same table I am using. Okay, click on change button. You have seen this one already, how to add it. Okay, that is completed. Now I'm going to add in the same line, the second line, in the like last row according to this field, dot append. I can write it, but you cannot write it like this because this is not like a customized. This is a standard append structure. Directly we have the option is the append structure. Don't write it dot append here. Okay, maybe some student they will practice like that. You don't write. You will get error here. If you write it here dot append, you will get error. Use here dot append structure. System only will convert that name automatically. Use the dot append. Click on that. Click on save. Okay, click on save. Continue. Here you have to start with the name, append name. Okay, append name. Even append names also I'll show here. Let's see. This table is any standard table you can choose here. So this is another include. Somebody is added. That is surface Surfma code RG number issued by they added. Then another another append. This is append. This is append. Means they added by using this option append structure. Okay, they added new fields for Canyon vehicle space optimization. This is an one more module, vehicle space related optimization for the latest related module. For that type of vendors, vehicle related space related optimization purpose. Okay, packaging, length of material, length of all are okay. This is separate enhancement. Then another structure, another append structure. They have append structure for preferred payment discount shop ID transaction. So they added a data element for the different customer, data element for the name of the SAP system, client to partner number component. This is another append. Say how many appends they added. These all are enhancements. Say example, first release they released only this append. Then second release this append they released. What is the append name? This is the append name. Then third release they released the append name. Okay, like that for each releases. What is the meaning of release? Release like which we are working same in Android. Okay, Android updates you will use to get bank updates and bank apps. Okay, update new version like that. The same way in SAP also we have the release versions are there. Okay, if you want to update those release versions, okay, we will use this type of appends. This type of appends here almost. This is somebody has done, I think, customized only. This is okay. Finally, it is activated. Finally it is active. Somebody is created, customized here. Customized means ZZ, but the remaining all are matching name, business location, identifier, okay, purchase order required, okay, purchase order identifier or difference. These all are standard. Okay, the standard you can easily identify without a Z. If there is a Z is there, this is Z customizer, this is Z customizer. Okay, we can identify like that. Okay, you can add n number of structures to the standard table or customized. But now I am explaining for the customized, same procedure for standard also. Just I clicked here our table, I click this append structure. I told you one real. Okay, whenever you are starting with a Z, compulsory either append, either include, either anything. but for this one special category, this is ZZ. Okay, ZZ. You have to enter ZZ. You have to enter compulsory. Otherwise, it will throw one warning message. ZZ. My fields. Okay, no. New structure. Okay, new structure. Continue. See. Okay, separately it has come. Okay, separate screen. Okay, this is a new append structure which we are creating separately. Okay, now I will add it region. Region I did not add. I will add here region fields. Okay, region and post box.